Hey guys, I recently purchased this 1971 Volkswagen bus. It is a Westfalia camper, and from decoding the end plate, it was built around December 1970. So let me walk around the bus and tell you what my plans are for it. So right off the bat, you can see the bus is really rusty. The previous owner bought it around the mid-1980s, and when I picked it up, it had been sitting under a tree for about 10 years, he said. Now the rust is really taking its toll. When you lift up the mat, the floor is pretty much gone, and the interior smells disgusting. There's definitely a few rat's nests and a few wasp nests up top. When you walk around the outside, the rockers are pretty much gone, and this wheel is locked up. Towards the back, you can see all this gray stuff on it. I'm pretty sure it's tree sap, but I'm not exactly sure. The engine doesn't look that bad. I'm pretty sure it might be a bug engine, but that should work for it if I decide to get it running and drive it around. You can see there are a lot of acorns and other nuts in here. There's definitely been a few squirrels living in this bus. Now I can't show you the interior from the slider because it's missing the handle, but I can show you it from up here. And when you look at it, it's not that bad. It's really dirty, but it's only really missing this cabinet right here with the sink and the fridge. I've yet to look in this closet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be filled with a rat's nest. And someone put a heater down there, which kind of ruins that door, but it's really not that big of a problem. That's the bigger problem. I can see outside from inside of the bus, which means that the rocker, the inner rocker, and the floor are all rusted out between the table and the bed. That's going to be a lot of replacement metal that's going to cost a lot of money to fix that. So now I'm just going to do a walk around of the bus. You can see it's really rusty down here on the rocker. Same over here, but this is worse because it has the slider track. So that's my new bus. Leave a comment if you think I should fix it, part it, or sell it. I think I'm going to sell it because it's really rusty and I think it's beyond my skills to fix it. But if I do sell it, I'm just going to buy another bus. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.